Hello everyone and welcome back. This is Bronx Lock Picker 60 and today I reached into the bag of locks I got from K1 Locks, and the first one I touched and pulled out, it is the Stupid by West Coast Picks. And as you can see, it's a quick set cologne. And that's the bidding. Come on, baby. There you go. It's a 5-pinner. And man, it all his locks, man, works really smooth. I mean, the pins can be very tough looking, really menacing, but the lock still works beautifully, man. K1 Locks, man. Thanks for the trade. And West Coast Picks. Thanks, my man, for pinning this up and putting it out in the community, my man. I've been watching your channel lately more than usual, and you're doing some good stuff there, man. So keep doing what you're doing, West Coast Picks. Alright, I got a 40,000 pry bar, and I'm going to use the Attila, and yes, I have a band-aid. So light tension to back. Wow, a lot of crunchiness. That was 3. And all right, let's start over again. Come on, there we go. That's 5. Got a little false set on 5. That's 4. 3. 2. 1. Excuse me. All right. Start in the front this time. It's 1. Wow. A lot of crunchiness off of 2. That's 3. 5. 4. Whatever pin that was, sounded like I dropped what I had in the back, and I did. All right. That was 3, and I got a full set off of that. Very tiny, but got a full set nonetheless. Okay, again. Let's go with a diamond. I mean a gem. Diamond gem, you know what I mean? Okay, let's go straight in. Alright, that was 5. 4. That was 3. Very, very subtle movement on 3. Alright, I keep nudging 3, and I keep getting ever so slightly, you know, a deeper false set. Alright, that was 2. Back to the rear. and I nudged 4 and 4 opened it up. All right. I like to say, if you guys haven't had a chance to check out West Coast Picks channel and or K1 Locks, you guys are missing a treat there. Missing a big treat. West Coast Picks, awesome lock maker and pin maker as well, and a great picker. And K1 Locks, a very unique character, and I mean that in a good way. He's a good guy, really nice guy. So as you can see, it's picked, and grab a little doodad. This was a fun lock to pick, man. I love locks that have a lot of feedback, that give a lot of feedback, man. I mean, that's what I look for in a challenge lock. If I got a challenge lock that has no feedback, I just might as well pick a stock lock, you know. Okay, take this pen out. And I also like to say that, there it is. I'm slowly approaching 100 videos, and I'll be working in collaboration with Steel Pinnings for a giveaway. We haven't discussed yet exactly what the giveaway would entail, but it usually involve probably some picks and some locks made by Steel Pinnings. Okay, that came out nicely. And those key, gotta have it put the key on the base of my vise. Holy moly, you got all kinds of waddle out there, as I say. All right, so they're all below the shear line, so they all have to be picked. And you see they're nice to the shear line, man. Where it's supposed to be. 5 looks like it's small diameter there. From what I can see at this angle, 1 and 4 is threaded, and can't tell about 2, 3, and 5 until I get the pins out. Don't want to make assume anything, because you know what happens when you assume, right? All right, 1 is standard, 2 is serrated with a narrow top. 3 is a double serrated. 4 double serrated with a narrow top. And 5 is a beveled key pin. It kind of like comes up almost like a mushroom. And from what I can see, get my flashlight. All I can see is just 1 and 4. The threading. Sorry. I don't feel no counter milling. Let's see what we got on top here. Alrighty. See what my man put on top here. Okay. Ooh. All right. In position number 1 driver is a serrated key pin, pin and pin, I mean, with a copper spring. Come on, baby. You are stuck in there, aren't you? Hold on a second. There we go. And number 2 is I would say serrated spool with a very short copper spring, almost like for American lock. And 3, it is, let me put the lock down. Yep, okay. It's another pin and pin, and the sleeve is serrated with, this time, a steel spring. And it's number 5. It is a beautiful hourglass shape spool, and it looks like it has a serration in the center of it, and also a steel spring. And number 4, also a steel spring. Let me gotta check these. Okay, and that's a beautiful serrated driver pin. All right, let's see if we can get a little closer without. Okay, so in number 1 position is a regular standard pin. This one's like I would call that a spool with a small diameter top. 3, a serrated. 4, serrated. 5, it's almost kind of reminds me of a Lockwood type pin. And on top here we have a pin and pin with the sleeve serrated. And is this, and there's a serration on the tip of the T-pin with a copper spring. This is a serrated spool with what it looks like to be a American lock spring. A pin and pin, almost like the one in number 1, with a steel spring. Multiple serrated driver with a steel spring, and this beautiful hourglass looking spool with a steel spring. And let's see if he, because I know West Coast Picks doesn't like to do anything to the Bible, and he has not. But always gotta double check. You never know. You know, he may wake up one morning. Let me put some threading up there or undercuts. But anyhow, enough of me babbling on here. Guys and gals, thanks for watching. Thank you for tuning in. Please stay safe and stay legal. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Please hit the like button, leave a comment, hit the bell icon to get future notifications of my next videos. And as always, stay calm and pick on. Thanks a lot, everyone. Take care. Bye-bye.